In this video, I'm going to show you where you can find your spark plug information on your Mercury outboard. Now, it seems like every outboard I've bought over the years, somebody has put in the wrong kind of spark plug. Not sure why, but I'm going to show you on the Mercury there's going to be two places you can get your spark plug information. So I'll take the engine cover off and show you how to find it. Alright, so once you got your engine cover off, you can see you get some ID tags over here, and there's a emission control information sticker. That's going to be the one at the top. Right there, it's going to tell you what kind of spark plug and the gap that your motor requires. If it's not there, then I have seen it over on this ID tag, which is on the opposite side of the motor down by the mount. Right there. Now, if neither one of those tell you your serial number that starts with that 0T, you can call your local marine dealer, give him that serial number, and he can tell you exactly what kind of spark plug to use. So those are the two locations that I know of how to find your information on your spark plugs for your Mercury outboards. So anyway, I hope this was useful information, and I thank you guys for watching.